Happy holidays, my beautiful butterflies. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a different scenery. I am sitting here on the floor of my office, and I have this package that has been sitting here that I wanted to share with you guys. And it's from Anthropologie. Not only do I like to shop at Anthropologie for clothing, but around this season, y'all, I love to pick up their stoneware. And in particular, I love their holiday in the city stoneware. So that's what we're going to get into next, you guys, because I'm so excited. They finally got my city, you guys. DC. Oh my God, we're on the map. As you can see, it says Holiday Glee from DC 2025 on the back. And on the front, they have a holiday scene on the Lincoln Memorial, one of our famous landmarks here. And it's just gorgeous. I'm so happy. And here is the matching mug as well. Look at that. It also says Holiday Glee from DC in the inside as well. So beautiful. And also you see it right there on the bottom of the mug. So I'm so happy I get to add my city to my collection of these holiday mugs and dessert plates. So there's the DC set. Next, one of my favorite cities, New York. Oh my gosh, I spent a lot of summers there and loved it. And on the back of this one, it has Holiday Magic from NYC 2025. And then on the front, we have the famous Rockefeller Center. Look at that with the cabs and everything in the front. Here is the matching mug. Again, it says Holiday Magic from NYC in the inside, and then also on the bottom as well. And these mugs are $16 and the plates are $18. And there's the beautiful NYC set. And next we have Philly. These are so nostalgic for me. On the back, it says Yo from Philly 2025. And I remember just taking a lot of drives up to Philly to see my brother in college. Us going to grab their famous Philly cheesesteak. And they have Philadelphia City Hall as the landmark there, all dressed up in the Christmas scene. So cute. I love it. I love that they did some of these on the East Coast this year. And the last one I picked up is Chicago, another place I visited and loved. And this is the famous Riverwalk in Chicago. And on the back, it says Sending Snow from Chicago 2025. And that's one of the things that stood out when me and my husband visited. It was warm when we left and we got to Chicago and it was cold. But I love it. It's such a beautiful city. There's the matching mug that says Sending Snow from Chicago as well. And you have that famous landmark of the Chicago Riverwalk, which I enjoyed. Look at that. So beautiful. I love the city of Chicago. Definitely would go back. So y'all, those are the mugs that I picked up from Anthropologie this year. They have some other cities, so check them out if you're interested. They also have dish towels, platters, advent calendars. I collected a whole bunch of Europe ones in 2023, so I'm glad to add these to my collection. Oh my gosh, you guys, as I came downstairs to wash my dishware, look at my backyard, y'all. It's snowing outside. I love it. But that cancels me going out today. Here is my quick little breakfast using my DC City plate and mug. And now I'm just going to sit here and cozy up and have me some breakfast and watch some TV and cozy up because I ain't going out there in that snow, y'all. It gives me anxiety. I do not drive in the snow. So I'll be in for today. Comment down below what city you're from. I would love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.